Hi beauties! So today we are doing like a fortune teller oracle look. This makeup tutorial is super fun and creative and I hope you like it. If you want to see how I got this look, watch now. I'm going to grab my Porefessional and apply that all over my face. It's an amazing primer. Next I'm going to grab the Anastasia Beverly Hills Concealer and just apply that to my troubled areas. And then I'm just gonna rub that all in. Next I'm actually going for this pretty dark shade of CoverGirl's TruBlend Matte Made Foundation, T50. I normally wear T40. This is a little bit darker, so I'm just going to lightly blend this in with a beauty blender. I'm also going to apply the shade to my neck as well. Now that we have our foundation down, I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit, contour my face. What is on my face? Some like super unblended foundation. That was just bizarre. It was like a huge chunk of it. Now I really want to hollow out my cheekbones. So I'm going pretty dramatic with this. Look at my blonde hair trying to escape from under that wig cap. So I'm basically sketching out my cheekbones. And I'm also going to go a little bit towards my nose with this as well. And I'm also going down. And I'm very lightly going to do my jawline as well. And also my hairline. Okay, this side definitely, look at how dramatic. Okay, and then look at this side. Happy. Drama. Happy. Drama. So let's do the other side. Next we're moving on to the nose contour. So I actually really want to pinch the nose. I mean, I always do. And then I really am going to like hollow out this area right here. Okay, so it's a very bold nose, but it's kind of what I want, and I'm just gonna blend this out very like light-handedly. I want there to be like a contrast. I want it to kind of look spooky, for lack of better words. Next I'm gonna grab my translucent powder, and I'm very lightly just going under my eyes. So I'm just gonna go very lightly on the sides of my nose. Okay, so let's get started with our eyes. First I'm gonna grab this ColourPop eyeliner, and I'm gonna line my upper water lines, and then I'm going to line my lower lash line and my lower waterline. Next I'm going to grab this Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, and we're going to be doing basically like a purple smoky eye. So I'm going to start off with this brown shade Musk, and I am going to apply that right above my crease, and I'm going to bring it all the way over to my nose. And I'm actually bringing this up pretty high, almost to where my eyebrow is. Luckily my eyebrow is not there yet, so I can kind of fix that later, and I'm dragging that out as well. Next we're grabbing this color called Amethyst, which is a light purple, and I'm going in the crease and right under the crease with this. And I'm also bringing that towards my nose once I've deposited a lot of color into my crease. So when your brush is like almost out of color, that's when you kind of want to move it towards your nose. Then I'm going to pick up a little bit more color, apply it to the outer part of the crease, and then very softly and slowly blend that out to a wing. Next I'm going in with Royal, which is like a very dark purple color, and I'm applying that right into the crease. And I'm actually going to apply that just a little bit on the outer corner of my eye, and then wing that out as well, and do the same for the inner corner. And I'm actually going to also apply Royal to the center of my lid as well. Then I'm going to go in with Ode, which is a chocolate brown, and I'm going to apply that to my very outer corner. And then I'm just going to very lightly drag that into the wing as well. Next I'm just going to wipe away all this powder so I can kind of see what I got here. The next step is we are going to start doing the under eyes. So again I'm just going to grab Musk, and I'm going to apply that to my under eye. And I'm going to go pretty far under my lid. Next I'm going to grab Royal and apply that under my eye as well. And this is with a smaller brush. I got a little bit of fallout, so I'm just going to go like this just to protect my under eyes for now. And then next I'm going to grab Ode again and go very close to my lash line. Now that we look like we've seen some stuff, we are finally ready to do our brows. So I'm actually going to do them a bit more arched than I regularly do. And now I'm going to do that on the other side. Now I'm going to, for real this time, brush away all this powder. Next I'm very lightly applying a black liquid liner to line my upper lash line. Next I'm going to just really quick curl my lashes, put on mascara, and put on some falsies, and then I'll be back. Alright, lashes and mascara is on. Now it's time to get spooky. So I'm grabbing my black eye paint and a very small brush, and I added just a ton of water onto here. Now what I'm going to do, and you have to do this kind of carefully, is I'm going to grab this and put it right at my lower lash line. And sometimes you need to like press a couple times. And try not to actually tear when you're making these fake tears. I tend to like always do this. Like I see the fake tears and I start actually tearing. So we're gonna let that drip just a little bit. We're gonna add just a couple more tears. Okay, and now we're just gonna do it to the other side. Next, I have all of these glitters from Pixnor, I think is what it's called, and we'll have them linked below. My eye's really tearing on this eye, for real, so that's why it's a little ununiformed on that side. But yeah, we're gonna add some glitter. I'm gonna grab this glitter glue, and I'm gonna basically just apply it to this brush, and then I'm just gonna follow the line of the tears, and then I'm just gonna go in with this first glitter, and I'm going to follow that line. Okay, and then next I'm just gonna grab this type of glitter. It's basically like holographic stars and triangles. Now this is gonna be a little bit trickier to put on, and what I'm gonna do for this is just very lightly put some glitter glue on my brush. I'm gonna just dot it here, here, and here, and then I'm gonna pick up some of this glitter and add it. I just want it on the very top. So I think this looks kind of like mystical. I super am digging this glitter. Like, it is so holographic and it's so easy to apply, and it's really just like, it's giving me all the vibes right now. All the feelings and all the vibes. So I love this. The only thing I don't love is that stupid me spilled it everywhere. And I just spilled even more glitter. What's wrong with me? I want to show you guys real close. Look at this glitter. And then we'll turn the lights down. It's amazing. Next, we're just gonna finish off this look with a nude lip. So I'm going to overline my lips just a tiny bit, and then I'm gonna get a nude liquid lipstick and apply. Okay, beauties, so now that our makeup is done, that is basically it. All I did was put on this headscarf to kind of give it a more fortune teller look, and I put on this corset because I just thought it was dark and eerie, and that's the finished look. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and comment if there's something else you want to see, and subscribe if you haven't already. Bye beauties, love you. Mwah.